C'est le temps du pardon, the road to the cross. Ngalakh, no matter the loss, the sacrifice is a bridge. Une main tendue, a love that remains. The girl is true. Jàmm, this is our way. Yoon Wi is calling. Every single day. Le front marqué par la poussière, l'esprit serein souffle la nuit des loups. We walk hand in hand under the sun of the Sahel. Le cœur est à nous. Nien faut qui find in the desert for what we believe. Ce n'est pas que le ventre, c'est l'âme qui s'élève, leaving the world behind, following the light.
Comme Jésus in the silence, facing the wind, barrières side side, victory over sin, on quitte l'agitation, we seek the divine, c'est là la croix fétale, let your spirit shine.
C'est le temps du pardon, the road to the cross. Ngalakh, no matter the loss, the sacrifice is a bridge. Une main tendue, a love that remains. The girl is true. Jàmm, this is our way. Yoon Wi is calling. Every single day. Le poisson est sacré, Dogul ira fetna. When we start to pray, du guptir te akbouye, gift of the land, preparing Ngalakh, sharing with every hand. La calebasse est pleine, bol bifesna. Yoon Wi is calling. Every single day. Feel the fire inside. Let God be our guide. From death to new life, the mystery is one. Jàmm, the journey has begun. Yoon Wi is calling. Every single day.